Okay, hello everyone. So let us now learn how to create polylines in AutoCAD. Okay, so what is the difference between a line and a polyline? So a polyline is actually made up of line segments and arcs, and it is much more versatile compared to a line. Okay, let's draw some triangles and let's see how they differ. Okay, drawing some random triangle here using the line function, then using the polyline. Okay, so if I select one side on the triangle that was created using the lines, it only selects that particular line, that particular side. Okay. In contrast, if I select the polyline, one side of the polyline or any part, if I click on any part of the polyline, it automatically selects the whole of the triangle or the polyline. So one polyline, even though it's made up of several line segments or arcs, it is considered as one object. Okay, they are joined together. Whereas in lines, they are separate objects. The three of the sides are separate objects. Okay, so let's see what we can do with polylines. Let's say we type PE edit or PE in the command line, and then it asks you to uh, select a polyline. Okay, if I select this polyline, it will a bunch of options will drop down here. So if we select the width, so we can adjust the width of this polyline. So if I enter 2 right here, so there you go, the width changed to 2. Okay, so there are many other options as well, and you can explore all those options. Okay, so let's create something using the polyline function. Okay, let's say we want to create this figure right here. So let's put some dimensions on it so we will know. 150, that's 50, 100, then 50. Okay, so we have the dimensions of this structure that we want to draw. Okay, so I'm going to type, let's delete these first. I'm going to type in PL, the command line for polyline. Okay, so I will turn on the ortho so that it will be easier to create horizontal and vertical lines. Okay, so let's start. I click anywhere on the graphic window, and then graphics window, and then we have here a length of 150. So I will just enter 150. Okay, and now we have a line. Okay, and take note, there are different options here on the command line. This is not the same as a line. So a line doesn't have these options. So this is a polyline, so you have all these options. Okay, so I will select now A. I will enter A. So that means arc. As you can see, the A here is blue in the command line, right? So if I enter that, it will let us create an arc. Okay, that is joined with this particular line. Okay, so as you can see here, so we're creating a semicircle with a diameter of 50. Okay, so let's enter 50 right here. Okay, so that is semicircle. Okay, so we need a line again. So let's enter L. Okay, so we can draw a line again. So we need a length of 100. So just enter 100. And then, okay, that's pretty cool. And then, for this upper half, we need 100 only, right? Because the length, as you can see from the dimensions, just subtract 150 with 50, so we get 100. So let's draw 100. Okay, so now we need to create an arc again, or a semicircle. So I'm going to press A again. Okay, so we're in arc mode now. So enter 50. Okay, so now we have that. particular arc. Then you can just click on the original point, so you can connect the end point and the starting point. Here, I mean, let's enter line first. Okay, so and then enter. Okay, so there you have it. That is how you create a polyline. And if we click on this polyline, as you can see, it is joined together. So that is the polyline. So that's how you make a polyline. And see you in the next video.